and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am so excited for this video. I am going to be talking today about this. I'm so excited. I have had this sat on my desk for days and I've wanted to talk about it and just do this video, and I've been waiting, but today is finally the day. So let me grab my phone. So this is from LAROC Cosmetics. I think I'm saying that correct. And this is the LAROC Pro, the Artistry Book. So on the website, this is what it looks like. This was £40 and I'm just gonna click on it. Now, this has been all over my Instagram, all over my Facebook, all over the internet at the minute. People have been saying how amazing it is. So I thought I would get it for you guys and I would try it and see if this actually is the case. So this basically said that this artistry book showcases a colour spectrum of 48 uniquely created shades, allowing you to experiment and explore colour, with 34 buttery mattes, accompanied by 14 extra dimensional pressed foils unleashed to your heart's content. We are going to have a look at this. Now, this has got really good customer reviews, and like I say, there's so many colours. I mean, first of all, this thing is huge. Like, when I ordered this palette, I thought it was going to be like your normal palette size, but it's massive. Like, you get so many colours and so much of the colours. Now, it's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So what I've decided to do, because there were so many different colours and I was a little bit torn, I didn't know, do I want to do something colourful, something matte, something glittery? So what I'm going to be doing is a full winter look for you today, using a lot of the browns, some of the glitters, that kind of thing. And then I'm going to film another video and I'm going to use this kind of half of the palette with all the exciting colours, because I want to give you guys a spectrum from both sides. It's just so pretty. This is huge. I just cannot believe the size of this thing. And it's really good as well because all of the colours have names, which is fantastic. So I've already done my base today. I'm going to be showing you a highlight because I also have a new highlight palette which I want to talk to you guys about, but we're just going to jump straight in with the eyes. So let me get you guys zoomed in. Where to begin? Where to even begin? The first thing I am going to do is take Mystical, this colour here. So I'm going to take it with a flat brush. Oh, there's quite a bit of fallout. There is quite a bit of fallout. Oh, that's so nice. But when you actually apply it to the face, there really isn't that much fallout, which is nice. So I didn't know what these colours were going to be like, because like they are very foily kind of texture. They've got a few different colours in them, and I thought, I don't know how they're going to come out, but they're actually stunning. They are that foily, glittery sort of colour. I do love a glitter. These are very pigmented as well. I mean, that is just the first colour, which, as I say, is the glitter. So we will carry on. So the next colour I'm going to take is Musk. These are super pigmented, guys. Super pigmented. I mean, I only literally dusted my brush over that, and that has like, I'm gonna go in again, but yeah, they're super pigmented. And they are definitely buttery. They are buttery. They're correct in what they're saying. Pretty. I'll just do the same on this side. So yeah, obviously I was a little bit like, I was unsure, because first of all, I thought, when I originally thought it was a smaller palette and I saw the price, and I was a bit like, £40 is quite a lot to have just a small palette. But then it arrived and I was like, okay, that's justifiable. And actually, I do think all the colours are so versatile. The fact that you've got all those bright colours, you've got mattes, you've got glitters, but you've also got those colours that you can use on every day, which is obviously what I'm doing for you guys today. That just, to me, makes it such a versatile palette. So I do think the price is justifiable just for that reason. So I'm going to take Chai next. Is it Chai? Chai? I think so. Don't really know. Which is like, again, an orangey shade, but it's a little darker. So I'm just going to press that right in. The blend in these is really nice as well. They blend so well. I thought that they could be a bit chalky, but they're actually not. They do blend really nicely. There is a little bit of fallout now on my face, but I'm not too concerned because it's not a massive amount. It's more the glitter pigment that's actually falling down. So then I'm going to take the shade Velvet. This is this one down here. I'm doing quite a everyday fall look, so I don't want to go in anything too insane, but like I say, if that's what you're up for, you'll definitely see that in my next video, because I'm going to be going in with these colours and playing around with them a little bit more. So what I'm going to do with this one is just contour up to the crease like that. This is a gorgeous colour, very, very wintry. Again, I'm just gonna press that in. This brush is really good as well. This is one of the Crown brushes, which I've spoken about before, and they're just so easy to use. You can really use them to actually get in and do a lot of the work for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a blending brush and take a little bit of the nude shade just to blend the top of that out a little bit. They just blend so nice. I mean, you can see I'm hardly putting pressure on that at all, and it is just blending out so nice. Yeah, hardly even blended that, and it's like, yeah. Now what do I want to do? I don't know. I'm gonna take an angled brush and I'm gonna go in with this color here, Mulberry. So this is a slightly bright color. It's like a bright purple color, but I think for this look it would be perfect. And what I'm going to do with this is just smudge this along the crease. Not along the crease, I'm going to smudge it along the eye line. Just adds something, doesn't it? Just adds a little something there, a little something. Literally, I'm crazy. You guys will learn this, especially if you're new here. I'm a little bit mental, but we're all friends here, we're all friends. We are experiencing some fallout, but again, it's not the end of the world. So I just want to darken that up a tiny bit with a brown. So I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is Tiramisu, which has just got a little bit more of a brown mauve to it, but I'm hoping this is just going to neutralize a little. And again, I'm just using this tiny brush. I like using this because I feel like I have control of what's going on my eyes. Now, obviously you don't need to use all these colors. Again, I've just been trying to, when I use a palette, and particularly when I do a review for you guys, I like to actually try and use as many colors as I can, just so that you can get a realistic look at what they're going to be like. Because if I just use one or two colors, you guys aren't gonna know what they're actually like. And obviously, what's the point in doing that? So I'm gonna take Gold Digger. It's just calling out at me.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger.
There's a lot of glitter going on here. I'll pop that in there. I do love a foil colour. If you guys are new here, I do love a foil colour. Just gives it a little something. So I am just going to take my beauty blender, just because there is quite a bit of glitter fallout and a bit of smudging going on over here. So I'm just going to try and eliminate that. I've just totally ruined my contour, but that's okay. Might need to redo that. Okay, so under the eye, again, it's a winter look, but I want to keep it a little bit simple just because there's a lot going on the lid. I'm not going to take that brush. I don't know why I'm picking up that brush. So I'm going to take this little brush and I'm going to go in with Tiramisu again. I think that's going to be light enough. I don't want anything too dark under here. So again, I've just taken like the tiniest amount, and it's just, honestly, I'm hardly dipping it in. This palette is so good, guys. Okay, obviously you just have to ignore my lashes because I have a little bit of glitter going on, a bit of glitter fun. Okay, let's just put our mascara on and see what that looks like. I just love it. Oh, what are you doing, sir? Okay, I'm gonna add a little pop of color as well, just in the corners, just to brighten those up a little bit. I'm gonna take Gold Digger, again, probably one of my favorite colors.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger.
To bring that around a little, do you see? Just adds a little shimmer in the corner. Then I'm also gonna take that Gold Digger shade and just put a tiny bit of highlight. I mean, you can just see it's so pigmented. Okay, so highlight now. Quickly, this has got my approval. I love this. This has actually just created the most gorgeous look, and it was so easy to use. It blends really well. The eyeshadows are really creamy. I love the formula. This is 100% worth it. If I was going to tell you what my favorite eyeshadow palette is, it's this. I honestly don't see me reaching out for anything else anytime soon. This is incredible. Seriously guys, I wouldn't recommend a product if I thought it was crap. So I picked this up in TK Maxx and I used this the other day, and I just wanted to show you guys because I thought it was so good. So this is the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, and you get 6 gorgeous colours. So I might try Dream actually, because this isn't normally a kind of colour I'd go for. Do you see? Like, it's so pigmented. So pigmented. I'm just going to put a little on here. So yeah, I picked these up from TK Maxx actually. TK Maxx, or my TK Maxx anyway, does a lot of BH Cosmetics at the moment. They've got all their brushes and that kind of thing. So I am tempted to actually do like a full face with TK Maxx makeup. So let me guys know if that is something you'd be interested in, because I would like to do that actually. And this was, I think this, I haven't got the label on it for some reason, but this was $6.99, so it was dead cheap. So for the lips, I'm going to go in and do, again, quite a wintry brown look. So I've got a pencil liner here. I actually don't know who it's from. I think this is a Primark one, but for some reason it's got no writing on. So I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm going to take the Revolution. This is one of their nude lipsticks. This is in the shade Stripped. And you can see it's quite a dark shade, right? And then I'm just going to overtake, this is just from W7, just a nude lipstick, and pop it in the middle, because I find that if you do that, it actually gives you so much dimension. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this review video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you in the next ones. Also, just quickly, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I'm starting to post on there every single day. So if you want to see more of me than 3 times a week, follow my Instagram. Bye guys.